All right. I think we left off on number 11. And how many orders can three colors be selected from a box of 12 crayons? So not replace before the next one. So how many orders? We know it's a permutation because there's order to it. We have three colors from 12, so that says 12 P3. That also might be just as easy doing 12, 11, 10. Once you do 12 and 11 is 132, you can just add a 0 for the 10, and you got 1,320. All right. High school chorus been practicing 12 songs, but it's time they can. But there's only time for only 5 of them. How many different orderings of 5? So they have to choose 5 out of the 12 and put them in order. Since it's order, it's 12P5, which do that with a calculator. 12 over to the permutations. 5, 9, 5, 0, 4, 0. Number 13, I think there's 18 of these. How many different orders can you sit 8 students in the 8 seats of the front row of the school auditorium? So that is all 8 kids and all the seats will be 8 factorial. Nobody's left out. 8 factorial 40320. 40,320. The science fair is down to the best 10 projects. And how many different ways can the judges? So since they have first, second, and third, let's put them in order. 10 projects, so that would be 10P3. Again, you might just do 10, 9, 8. 9 and 8 is 72, and 10 would make it 720. So 720 different orders. You can put those 10 in first, second, and third place. How many arrangements of the letters Rackwitz are possible? So again, as long as all the letters are different, RACKOWITZ, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters, different arrangements, 9 factorial. So I can take that 8 factorial and just multiply a 9. That is 362, 880. All right. 16. 12 members, and they need to select the president, vice president, secretary, treasurer. So they have 4 positions for them. Since they are all different, then order matters because the first person will be president, so forth. So this is 12P because you're putting them in positions in order. 4, which would be 12, 11, 10, 9, 11, 8, 8, 0. So if they have jobs that they're doing, that's going to be a permutation. $64 people in a raffle with 6 different prizes. How many ways can the prizes be awarded if no one receives more than 1 prize? So, and they're different prizes, so order matters. So there's 64. You're going to permutate 6 of them. Probably going to be 64, a big number. 64P6. So this one has a 5.39 8 1 5 4 4 9 6. It says E10 on the calculator. That's at scientific times 10 to the 10th power. That 10th power means that there are 10 numbers after the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're missing, oh, maybe that's not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 9 of them. And we know that in there from 64 down, there is a 10, well, a multiple of 10. There's a 60 in there. So that last digit has to be a 0. So we could say that this is 5, 3, 9, 8, 1, 5, 4, 4, 9, 6, 0. 64p6. The calculator Desmos might handle that a little bit better. 64 64 comma 6. Oh, it doesn't even handle it as well. It gives us less digits, so that's no good. But either way, that times 10, you could write it in that scientific notation. But here, I think there were only 17, right? My last page is blank, I think. All right, so that's it for this video. The next video, either look at, open up your notes that'll go along with the next video, print them off if you can, take notes, and then it'll go with the assignment. So have a great day. And again, if you have questions, comments, concerns, either remind through email or through Canvas, get a hold of me, let me know. And I'll be happy to answer them. All right.